Okay, open up your MTT. This is going to be a volume test review. All right, our first figure is a cylinder. The radius is 3, the height is 4. Notice that I've labeled them R and H. Make sure that you shade in your bases. We're going to put in the 3 for the R, and we're going to put in the 8 for the height. We're going to go ahead and multiply. So pi times 9 times 8. Volume is equal to 72 pi feet cubed. And the decimal answer is going to be 226.2 feet cubed. Remember, for volume, we're going to cube the measurements. All right, now we're going to find the volume of a cone. The radius is 9, and the height is 24. Height makes the right angle with the radius. So we're going to go ahead and plug in what we know. So we're going to put in our 9 for our radius and our 24 for our height. V equals, we're going to multiply 1/3 times 81, which is 9 squared, times 24. When we multiply 1/3, 81, and 24, we get 648 pi feet cubed. And then our decimal answer, when we multiply 648 times pi, 3.5.7 feet cubed. All right, now we have a sphere. The volume of a sphere, we're going to have to find the radius. So to find the radius, we're going to take 10 and we're going to divide it by 2 to cut it in half. Now we're going to do V is equal to 4/3 pi 5 cubed. V is equal to 4/3 pi times 125. When we multiply 4/3 times 125, we get 166.7, and of course we had to round because we actually get 166.666 repeating. So we're going to round that to 1.667 pi centimeters cubed. And then when we multiply 1.66 decimal 7 times pi, we get volume is equal to 523 decimal 7 centimeters cubed. Now we have another cylinder with a diameter. So in order to find the radius, we're going to take our diameter and we're going to divide it by 2. And then we're also going to put in our height, which is going to be 12. Okay, so this is going to be V is equal to pi times 5 squared times 12. So V is equal to pi times 25 times 12. When we multiply 25 times 12, we get V is equal to 300 pi centimeters cubed, and V is equal to 942 decimal 5 centimeters cubed. All right, now we have a cone. So for the cone, the radius is 3 and the height is 11. So we're putting that into our substitution step. And now we're going to do V is equal to 1/3 pi times 9 times 11. When I multiply 1/3 times 9 times 11, I'm going to get 33 pi centimeters cubed. When I multiply 33 times pi, I'm going to get 103 decimal 7 centimeters cubed. Now we have half of a sphere. So you'll notice that I've had to add in the 1/2 into the formula. My radius is 6, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. So V is equal to 1/2 times 4/3 times pi times 216, which is 6 cubed. Now I'm going to multiply on my calculator 1/2 times 4/3 times 216, and that's going to give me 144 pi centimeters cubed. When I multiply 144 times pi, I'm going to get 452.4 centimeters cubed. And now you're ready for your volume test.